وقال عليه السلام: اعجبوا لهذا الإنسان، انظروا بشحم، وتلموا بلحم، واسمعوا بعظم، وتنفسوا من خرم.
Imam Ali says, I wonder at the person who sees through fat, speaks through flesh, hears through bone, and breathes through a hole. Imam Ali points to 4 amazing aspects of human creation. 1. Seeing through fat, the fatty layers surrounding the eyes. The eyes are a remarkable creation, allowing us to perceive the world around us. Allah says, Did we not give you 2 eyes? 90:8. 2. Speaking through flesh, the tongue. The tongue is a vital part of human communication, and its ability to form words and sounds is a blessing from Allah. However, if not used properly, it can lead to harm. 3. Hearing through bone, the bone surrounding the ear. The ear is an intricate and essential part of our ability to hear. Modern science has confirmed that sound vibrations are transmitted through the bones of the ear. 4. Breathing through a hole, the nostrils. The nose is designed for breathing, and its structure is perfectly suited for this function. If there is any obstruction, breathing becomes difficult. Imam Ali's words highlight the incredible design and functionality of the human body, emphasizing the existence and unity of Allah. Reflecting on these aspects of human creation can deepen our understanding and appreciation of Allah's power and wisdom.